Hello students, today we will solve exercise 3C question number 1 from the chapter square and square roots. Okay, question number 1. Find the square root of each of the following number correct to two place of decimal. Number 1 is root 3. What does the question says? It says that you have to find the square root of 3, okay, correct up to two place of decimal, means up to, for example, 1.414. okay, so it has 3 decimals, right? So 1.41, we need up to 41, 2 decimals. Okay, so now as you can see that 3 is not a perfect square, okay, and 3 is a prime number, and prime number cannot be a perfect square. Okay, so now we need to find the approximation value of root 3. Okay, so using long division method you only get the approximation value of an imperfect square. So let us find. Firstly, using long division, firstly we will separate the digit. As it has only one digit, so only one will be there. For example, if you want to find the square root of 30, then you have to take 2 pairs, one pair, right? So now see, find the nearest perfect square which is less than 3. So nearest perfect square, 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4. That means 3 lies between 1 and 3, right? But we will take the smaller one. So 1 is a 1 plus 1. So this is our question. Okay, this is our question and this is our divisor. Now subtract it. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, add this one, 1 plus 1, 2. Now we need a number. Okay, here you put point. After 3 there is no number, so now we will put point as we need up to correct up to 2 place decimal. Okay, so 1 point. After putting point, you can put 2 0 next to 2, one pair of 0, that is 2 0 next to 2. Now find the number which is less than 200, that is 2. Let us take 26 into 26 is how much? 6, 15. 2 6 6 is 36, 6 to the 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay, let's see 27. 27 into 27 is how much? 189. 7 7 is 49, 49, 7 to the 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, let's take 28 into 8. See, when you multiply 28 into 8, you get 224, which is greater than 200. But we won't take 28. We will take 189. Okay, nearest. So 27 into 27 is how much? 189. Plus, now subtract it. After subtracting it, 10 minus 9 is 1, and 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, now this 7 you put it here, 7. Okay, now bring 2 0 again, 7 7 14, 3. Now let us assume 342 as the other number. 342, we need one number again here. Okay, so 342, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. Okay, let us find the nearest one again. 343, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 2 in hand 1, 3 3 is 9, 10. Okay, let us find 3 4 4, 4 4 is 16, 1 in hand 4 4 is 16, 17, 1 in hand 4 3 is 12, 13. So as you can see, 1376, which is greater than 1101. Okay, so we will take 3 1. Okay, we will take 3 only. Plus 3, add, put 3 in the divisor, and what will be? 1029. Subtract it. So 10 minus 9 is 1, and 9 minus 2 is 7. Now add it. 3 3 6 4 3. Okay, now again put 2 0. Now students, what we will do, that check it whether we can take any more number or not. 3 4 6 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 1 in hand, 2 4s are 8, 9, 2 3s are 6. Okay, so I think this will be the nearest number, 6924, because when you multiply 3 4 into 3, you get 3 3s are 9, which is greater than. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 24, 2 3 4s are 12, 13 14, 1 3 3s are 9, 10, which is greater. Okay, so we will take 1 4 3 4 6 2 plus 2, put divisor in 2 also, and what is our number? 6924. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Here we have 9. 9 minus 2 is how much? 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, and 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, so therefore root 3 is equal to 1.732, but we need correct up to 2 decimal, so we will write is equal to 1.73. Okay,